I have something to show you because Jaxie is going to have a cup of tea and we're going to show you her page in the magazine, in a German magazine. I can't wait to show you. Pardon? Wait, pardon? You can dip it too, right there. Jack? Yeah, I'll tell you who there's not an article on. They did an article on Jack. Yeah, she's the magazine girl. I know. Yeah, but it's in German. So I speak for myself and Yoshi when I say we can't read it. That's it now. I'm gone. Bye-bye, Jack. Bye-bye. How much is that? Pardon you? What are you doing? Right. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. That's it. Yeah, whoa. They can't see you now. You're like a door goblin. What are those things at the top of churches? Gargoyles. So we're gonna make a cup of tea and then we're gonna have a look. Oh, we're gonna have a look at that. She's in all the magazines in Germany, but we can't read Pardon you. Pardon you. Pardon, Jaxie. Right. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. It's already plucked. Bye. Right, I'm going to get you. I'm coming. I'm going to get you. You're going to give me an exorcism. All right, I'll put the kettle on. She was really chatty. I was hoping you could listen to her speak for a bit first, but that's what she thinks of that, isn't it, Jack? Can you see her? Yeah. Where's Jaxie? Oh, I'm coming on. I've only got 2 arms. Jesus, Jack. Pardon you. Bye-bye, Jack. Say anything. Bye-bye. All right, Jack. Where's Jaxie? We've got to get in a taxi. Come on, we're going now. Get in the taxi. Come on. Come on. Right. Kettle's boiling. Hello. Bye-bye, Jack. Jack, apparently you're really cute tonight. What do you think to that? What do you think to that? Bye-bye, beautiful. I love you. Where's Jack? Where's my Jack? That's it. That's it. I'm going to get that birdie. Right, Yoshi, you need to get off me because if I pick her up with you on my shoulder, I'm going to get Jack attacked. Come on, darling. Oh, there she is. That's my girl. You going to go and beat up the microwave? I never liked that microwave anyway. Oh, there she is. That's my lady. That's my pretty lady. I'm going to make your tea now, all right? You want a tickle? You do? Blimey. This is Yoshi's dragon fruit. Well. This is Jack's tea. Chamomile. You gonna have a chamomile? You gonna put your bag in the cup tonight or not? That's a strong no from Jaxie. I asked you if you wanted to put it in. I didn't say you had to. Come here. Where's it itching? Tell me. Is that it? Is that where it itches? Show me. Let me get it. Oh, there we go. Is that better? Thank you. Do you want to put your tea bag in the cup? Are you going to do it or are you just going to mess me around? Good girl, Jack! Woo! I think that deserves a sweetie. How much is that birdie on the microwave? Good, darling. Well done. Thank you for doing that and not showing me up. Yes, of course you can have one. Kiss. Thank you. This is how she's able to be such a strong demon hunter. Just put that there. Keep it safe. Oh no, it fell again. What happened? Go on, you're not scared of anything. Okay. Help me stir. Good girl. To be honest, who likes tea when it's stirred anyway? That's what everyone says in England. We're going to let that cold brew because we are going to get Yoshi's tea now. You going to help make Yoshi's tea? Because, you know, he's not got the smarts like you have. Alright. Right, so look, this goes in here like that, alright? Because that's Yoshi's. Ready? In the cup. Good girl, Jack! A bit of dragon fruit. I'm going to borrow that. I'm going to put... Yoshi only has a tiny bit of hot because he's a baby. I'm going to help stir Yoshi's tea. Nibbling. To be fair, guys, I saw it with my own 3 eyes. That spoon looked at her well funny. It deserved everything it got. I saw it, Jack. Don't even worry about it. You did the right thing. Did you just poo on me? Oh, Yoshi, I put a clean top on. Ready? Just a little dribble because he's only a small boy. What? It's not yours, don't worry. So I've got this bird. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's the magazine. That's special. You've got to keep that away from bottoms that open whenever they feel like it. Okay, so we need to do Yoshi's setup anyway. Thank you. You're not going to like this, but Yoshi's going to have his first. You can taste test it if you want. I guarantee you're going to be angry if you do. If he finds snacks that I didn't even know existed. Hello, Kerry. Jack. Please, may I have the nuts, Jack? I understand if you don't want to give them up. I can actually get one out for you because I've got fingers. Is that all right? I'll get you one. And then I haven't got to sweep the floor later. Hello? Mrs. Ladybird. It's all right, guys. She can't hear me because she's rustling the packet. Otherwise, she'd be like, yes, of course, mum. Excuse me, Ladybird. Excuse me. Oh, she's so sweet. She just can't. Okay. All right, then. I'll take that. Thank you. All right. It cost you a kiss. Thank you. It cost you 2. It's not me. It's the government. They added VAT. Thank you. Yoshi Bean. It looks to me like you're in your sister's cage. Right, Jack. Oh my God, guys, she's gone. Jack. Oh no, not again. He's a buckaroo. This is Yoshi's tea. Do you want to try it? She's going to be so mad. I knew it. I'm so sorry, Jack. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, you do want it? Oh, baby girl. I promise yours is... No, it was just a joke. It was a little autumn joke. No harm done. No one got hurt. Are you all right? Jack, if you love me, come to my hand. Jack, it was a joke. She's just playing her own joke now. Oh, guys, look. He was on her perch for 5 minutes and did a massive 8 poos on it. Jack would never do that on her perch. You dirty boy. You stinky bum. What do you mean it wasn't you? It was already there and it's dried. Well, do you know who I believe? The one that didn't poo on me about 5 minutes ago. Have you guys ever tried dragon fruit infused rice? It's really good. Thank you for the follow. Thank you, Sai. So Linda is in this chat, and Linda sent. Have you guys ever had dragon fruit infused fingers? Because it's actually really great. I love it so much. Makes me really happy. Linda bought this mug. I think this was actually my mug. Because Jack has ladybirds on hers. And then this was like a bone china one for fancy ladies. Who the fuck? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to swear. Who the hell did I just share the live with? I can't see anything. did I, Veronica? Sorry, guys, I can't click any buttons right now because I have to hold the phone down towards the counter, and I'm about 83 years old. Well, my knees are, so it's not a flattering angle. And hello, it's just me. How are you? Can you hear his munchings and crunchings? So you know when like pigs you know when people like give pigs some paint on their snout and they like make some art with their snout, and they know they're making art with it, like it's their intention, but at the end of the day people are like, haha, it's a pig. Look. Thank you, Jay. Have you guys ever had dragon fruit infused floor? Because honestly, I can't recommend it enough. It's really great. I enjoy it every time. There is a bird called Yoshi Bean. He likes to eat his tea. Ah, some got in my mouth that time. Delicious. And when he chews his dragon fruit, well, I don't know. We're done. Hello, Heather. We're just watching a pig do some art with its snout. Can you hear the crunchings? Did I move the magazine? Oh, thank God for that. Hello, Frank and Kiwi. We're doing good. How are you? Okay. Sorry, guys, if you've already told me. If I ever have to repeat something, it's because Yoshi distracted me, which is a classic trait of a demon. Can you hear his crunchings okay? It's the air purifier's on. I don't know if I need to turn that off. I want you to enjoy the sounds of evil. Hello, Robin. How are you? Doing good. He probably would, Alana. It wouldn't take a lot. Just like 10 seconds without a snackaroonie, and he'd probably be like, look at this twiglet. Okay, thank you, Kerry. Hello, Val. Did I have dragon fruit on my face? Oh, Jack and Yoshi had some blackberries today. It's just decoration though. Just like, they both have a plate every day, and I do it for like breakfast. So on the breakfast plate are like whole fruits and veggies, whereas in the chop it's chopped. And then I bought blackberries because I was like, oh, the birds will like these. They're really big and juicy and lovely and expensive. But they're actually really good patterns on the plate, so the birds decided to leave them as decoration. They're really, really artsy creatures. Jack, Jay said we should sell Yoshi's newspaper artwork. Thanks, she just died of shock. Jens, thank you. Hang on, who else was that? Sorry, thank you, Carrie. Were you here when I said we're in a German magazine? Are you going to hang around and help us translate it? I think there's somebody else in here as well from Denmark. Oh, thanks for that. I was just hoping a bit of dragon fruit would land in my ear hole. Imagine if I like show the magazine and Jen's just like, oh my God, we hate that magazine. It's the worst magazine in the world. And it's just diabolical. And it says the worst things about me and Jack. And we would just be like, guys, look, we're in a magazine. I was hoping you'd turn up actually, Jen. I was like, I need him. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. He did his best, guys. I know you couldn't see it, but he thought it. Thank you. And Carrie, thank you too. Jesus, he is taking as much time as he wants. And that's fine. Jack, I promise I'm coming for you. We just wait for Goblin Boy to finish. So the reason why I'm doing it this way round is because if Jack has her tea first, then he will, if I don't put him away, he will try and fly on her and just like, he's just a bit of a demon if someone's got something and he hasn't. But if he has his tea first and then I, you know, put him away for 10 minutes, it's not a lot, although it's insufferable because I just get screamed at. And it means you get to enjoy Jack have her tea in peace as well. Hello, Widow. Thank you, James. What is Oasis? Maybe I don't really want to know how you got and grow. Oasis is it's a funny old thing. It's two brothers in a band in the late 80s, early 90s, United Kingdom. Liam and Noel Gallagher. And they just always used to fight each other. Like, I think one time they're like the most famous band that's ever come out of England. And one time, like, they threw tomatoes at each other, like hit each other in the face with it. And they were just like, we are never, ever, ever, ever getting back together. And there was like, it was really strange. Like, everyone just accepted it. And now we're like, we're going to get back together for a while. So now that they're talking about the tickets being on sale. You must have heard of Wonderwall, surely. Yeah, Wonderwall. If they fight in Dublin, I'll be lice. Jack said you may as well bring Yoshi with you because he's got lice as well. Hello, Nanny and Cleo. Yeah, I think that would be... I mean, it's Liam and Noel Gallagher. There's every chance that they're going to have a big argument before the tour. Right, I'm going to be quiet for a minute so that you can... because I can see he's getting fed up. So you can enjoy his last crunches. And then I'll get Jack's tea. And then we'll show you the magazine. Hello, Chrissy. He does love his dragon fruit. It's like Saw, Saw. It's like if Saw, the film, was a soup. Thank you, Chrissy. Entrails. I don't care if it's all blood and gore. Hello! I don't think I've ever seen you in one of our lives before. To be fair, we don't come live very often, but hello. Hello, Mary. Thank you for the ice cream, Hatsu. Sorry, I said I was going to stop talking, but I'm actually a compulsive liar. Hello, dear. Hi, Snowy. Thank you, Chrissy. You my EP boy. Love you. No, Trish, Yoshi, basically Yoshi's brain is like the size of one of these grains of rice, and so he actually has room for only one feeling at a time, and it never changes, it's just hunger. So no. Thank you for the tiny tinies. I'm just kidding, you're the smartest. You're the smartest green bird that's ever sat on that mug. Okay. it on Amazon. There's a link. It's on my Amazon storefront. But to be honest, the storefront's a bit like redundant. I can send you a link if you send me a message and remind me. You alright, Jack? I don't know if I've ever had 12k likes in a live before. Kerry, I tried. The only thing that I could find in America is freeze-dried dragon fruit in a massive multi-pack of other fruits, or it was all dehydrated dragon fruit, which obviously wouldn't work the same in tea. Yes, Donna, I'm moving on the 12th of September. Started packing. The living room is looking quite bare. There's loads of boxes in the hallway. So the priority is obviously getting the birds in that garden before it gets too chilly, and I just can't wait to get them in the garden. I'm so excited. Oh, thanks, Donna. It doesn't feel it. It's just, well, I'm in that strange in between now where all my home comforts are in boxes in storage, and so this doesn't feel like home anymore. Well, it hasn't for a while, to be honest. And I've still got that kind of time to wait, but so much to do in between, so it's no good, you know, me saying, God, I wish it was over. So I've got too much to do. Thank you for the rose, Tiffany. So I'm in that strange in between, and it just feels messy, but I think that it's because all my cozy comforts aren't here anymore. Rachel, I didn't even know something rotten even existed until about 3 weeks ago. No, when did I do the video? I don't know. It was less than 2 months ago. I didn't even know it existed. Okay, thank you. My favourite thing is like when a bird has been like using his little hand to like pick things up in a cup full of red dragon fruit that stains, and then like he has a clump of it in his claw and he like flies on your head. I love that so much. You coming? You coming, beautiful? Where's my Jaxie? That is it's for 2 minutes. You know how quick she drinks her tea. She's not like you. She'll be done in 2 minutes, and it means that everybody will be safe because you won't be flying on her while she's trying to drink, and she won't be trying to give you an exorcism when you're nearly on top of her. And it means I haven't got to get my quick reflexes out and be like blah blah blah. All right, you want to show them a trick first? Go on then. Yoshi, wave, wave. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Okay, spin. Can you spin? Spin. 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 Good boy. Okay, now we've got to be really quiet. Good boy. And wave. Go on then, do a wave. Good boy. And now, can we hold hands and kiss? Hold. Good boy. Oh, he wants to get got. His problem with birds, they always want to get got. Right, are you ready? Peekaboo. Where did you go? Where did you go? I didn't see. Peekaboo. Where did you go? I didn't see. It's like you disappeared. I don't, darling. But I've got to give Jack a tea, alright? Is that alright? And then we'll come back and we'll get you. And we'll say, mwah, you're a good boy. Alright? Fluffy chicken? Alright. Alright. Right, you're going to wave goodbye and say, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Alright, darling? Come on in. Okay, Yoshi. Wave. Okay, wave goodbye. Proper wave. What? Oh, look, he found a piece of dragon fruit on my hand. He's actually just walked on me to pick up all the dragon fruit he flicked at me. I don't believe it. You couldn't make it up. A bit literally did go in my ear hole as well. Okay, listen. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's delicious. Crunchy. Fresh. Okay, 2 minutes, darling. Come on in, stinker. So Jack's going to have her cup of tea. And then we'll look at the magazine for Jack's face. Right, guys, I can't see what's happening on the screen for a minute, so Jack, I'm putting the kettle on. We'll make a fresh one. Come on then, Stink. You can do it. Everyone's waiting for you. Come on, Jack. You've got it. Look, I'm not a tea maker and a taxi. Whoa! There she goes. Hello, darling. Right, you. Do not go in the tea canister. The tea canister does not need a jacksie in it. Okay? There's a bird. She really smells like a princess. It was just a funny joke until it wasn't. It was a joke, Jack. This is the tape we're using to pack up the boxes. Do you like it? There was a gust of wind and it it's really weird, it just came out of the ceiling and then it just blew the tape off the counter. It happens, doesn't it, missus? Good girl. Well, she did already put a tea bag in a cup, so, you know, if she doesn't want to do it again, you can't blame her. Can't work her too hard. It's not fair. Look, it's your magazine. You're in this. Your face is in this. It is, I promise. I'll show you in a minute. Right, that's your calcium. Do you want a pumpkin mug? Yeah, you like the pumpkin mug, don't you? In the cup, in the cup, in the cup. Oh, good girl, Jack. Go on. Good girl. She's going to get a sweetie for that. So she's broken the tea bag. Don't tell her. But I have to put this in the bin and put a new tea bag in. Because if she tastes bits in her tea, then she's not going to drink it. But she doesn't know that. Just take one, all right? Save one No, because you've had one earlier, and I want to save one for when we put the film on. I'm sitting on the sofa. Because you'll look at me and you'll be like, why are you not putting a treat in my beak? And I'll be like, because you had 3 treats on the microwave. And you'll be like, I don't remember that. And I'll be like, well, I do. And then I'll feel guilty and you'll get more treats and you can eat your chop. Give me a kiss. Love you. Ready? Do kettle noise. Jack, stir our tea. Can I borrow that spoon, please? She's like, guys, I already did it once. Yeah. Ask me twice and find out. Yes, I'll do it then. Okie dokie, Jaxie, wait there, darling. Thank you. Stop picking your feathers. Because if you carry on, I'm going to have to get you up. That's it. I'm going to get you. Good idea. What about spoon scratch? Do you want a spoon scratch? No, I don't think you want a spoon scratch. I caught it. I couldn't help it. I didn't catch that one. It must have slipped out your... Didn't catch that one either. Can I actually have a chance to catch it? Thank you. Right. Let me taste it. I have calcium in my tea. It makes me strong. Just wait and see. And then when Yoshi kisses me, I'll throw him in the bin because he's got fleas. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ha! Got you. It was a trick. It was a dirty trick. All right. You ready? Ready, darling? All right, come on then. I'm going to go and drink it on the other counter because it looks nicer than you sitting naked on a microwave. Not that it's not beautiful, it is. It's just a sight. Bye, Jack. Can't get it right, darling. Nope. Oh, I think you'll like that one. I think you'll like that one. Right, Jack, can you remove the spoon? That's it, get it. Oops. That was Yoshi's fault, sorry. Get the spoon out. You can do it. You did it earlier. What's one more time to show everyone how helpful you are? Darling, there we go. Oh, she did it. Well done, Jack. That was so good. That was so quick. I didn't even see it. A kiss. Get your taxi. And your taxi goes over here. There is someone running along the counter. Right, ready? Delicious. Let me just do one more check. Okay. If you don't like that, there's something wrong with you. Okay, I'm going to shut up now. Enjoy. okay, Yoshi? I'm gonna come get you in a second. Be patient. Thank you, Ritzy. Yeah, she's an African grey. It's not very demure when you're enjoying a cup of chamomile tea and there's a goblin shrieking in your ear. Thank you for the follow, for fuck's sake. Thank you, Ritzy. Thank you for joining the team. I think we're nearly at 100 team members now. God, an army of jack attacks. It's time to wipey beaky. Look, she's like, I wonder where I can wipe my beak. If only there was something to wipe it on. Wow, as if by magic. The hand. Hi, Selena. Thank you for the follow, Amy. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Look, wipey beaky. Gotta wipe the beak. Gotta wipe the beak. It's only proper. I love being a napkin. Okay, Stinks. Come on. We're going to show the magazine. Yoshi, baby, we're going to show them a magazine. And then we're going to get cozy and get on the sofa and watch Matilda, I think. I'm going to watch Matilda. Wipey beaky? Oh, put the horn away. I don't want it. Right, Jack. Should we show them? Thank you for the follow. Right, wait, because I'm going to show you, darling. I know, but Jack said it's a secret. You're not allowed to see. Oh, now you are. She changed her mind. Something to make this last. So, a woman who is obsessed with her parrots and needs so I came in here for something. What was it? Oh yeah, paper. Sorry guys, I will get there, I promise. Not very demure, is he? Hang on, because I've got... Yes, but I need to put it in there, sweetheart, don't I? I mean, you're literally about to get wrapped up in paper. So, is that what you want? Come here then. Dragon fruit bandit. Hang on. I'm trying to take my hand before she gets to it. Ready? Hulk time. It's going to take one strong beak to crack that nut. Okay? So if you stand over here so that I can... You don't even question it. It's not even a question, is it? Okay. Let's find it. Ready? Okay, we'll do the pictures first. So I don't think that the German magazine knew what Jack's cup said in this photo. I forgot about it. Schlürf. Getrunken Word aus der Tasse was Oschnist. Jack findet froschen Lorna zum Anbieten. Dem Grappage Word taglich ein Tass des Leibentranks serviert Prost. Whoa! Whoa! What happened? Guys, it's mad. These, like, packets of tea have just grown legs and they're, like, flying out. Put that back. Okay. Come on, sweetheart. Why do I get an exorcism? What did I do to upset you? Oh, so you know literally what just happened, the step back and the absolutely filthy look I'm getting. Does anybody want to guess why? Why I'm literally being looked at like I've done the worst thing in the world? I'll give you a clue. That's why. Yoshi, can we just read the magazine? Come on, spicy nugget. Everybody wants to get on the sofa and relax. So we're gonna go. And that was really fun. Thank you so much for coming. I might read the German magazine, see what's on TV in Germany. Go into your cage and I'll come say goodbye with you in a minute. But she's very unhappy that you're here. Okay? You're upsetting her. Go on. I'll be back in a second. Right, sweetheart. Come on, don't mind my... Yoshi, I'm coming back for you. Right, so we're going to say bye, everyone. Good boy. Wave. Good boy. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. That was really fun. And we'll see you when we see you. Let's take that and put it somewhere safe.